Good morning, guys. I woke up to something rustling outside my tent. I called out and it was Dion, and apparently he'd been awake for a while, packed down for a while. And so, yeah, I just got in the swing of it, hurried up, packing down. I think I did a pretty good job packing down quickly, considering I'd used my trangia to make tea on yesterday, so I had to clean my cup and stuff. But yeah, we're all packed down. Just removed the few bits of garbage that the others left behind. Like right here, there's a little bit more. But yeah, we gotta go right now. We gotta hurry because it's gonna be raining cats and dogs in a second. So we're getting out of here. Dion already got his poncho on just in case. And here we go on the road. I'm gonna put on some music. Plus, congratulations, I know you got a son. I heard he looks like it. She said this, that's when she got hype up. We did it, guys. We made it on the train with all of our shit. Just been listening to blasting Daft Punk Around the World one more time on the Central Station. I saw a few people vibing out to it. Gotta spread the love.
Mostly looking at you like you're a maniac.
Yeah, but who cares, man? I'm gonna brush my teeth out here in the bathroom in the train, but the water's not potable, so I brought my own. Let's go. We're almost there. We're back in Nyborg. God damn it. I'm so tired of this place, but we need an indoor place for Dion. He cannot handle the cold. Or maybe he can. I don't know. Got back to the apartment, and the first thing I started doing was just cleaning up. It was a goddamn mess up in there. Like, unlivable. Like, it smells like ass cheeks and trash up there, so we just brought the trash. We're gonna go throw it out now. Gotta go to the supermarket, get a coconut milk for dinner. Yeah. And then me and Dion, I think we're going to an ice cream shop. He wanted to get some ice cream. We're all eating dinner together. Oh, Dion's mostly on the phone, it seems. We're watching something. I don't know what. I just got finished showering, guys. It feels amazing. Built myself a turban for my long hair. I went out for quite the night ride. I've done 400 kilometers already. That's from the west coast of Denmark to the east coast. And I got Dion these. He loves these. So a little surprise for him when he wakes up. And me, I reheated the last of the curry chicken with rice. And I'm having a Fanta Exotic. Ah, this is gonna be good. I'm gonna watch a video on my phone holder here. Itadakimasu. Gochusou-sama deshita.